Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Valentina. I'm a makeup lover and I like to test makeup products. And in today's video, I'm going to test a new face palette. And I have this new NATASHA DENONA Hyper Natural Face Palette. I'm going to test this for the first time today, and I'm going to create this makeup look with this palette. So if you like what you see and want to find out more, then keep on watching. I already have my foundation, my concealer, and my setting powder on. And I used the same makeup products that I used in my last video. So if you want to see me applying this makeup base, I highly recommend you to check my last video. For today, I will list everything down in the description box below, and next I'm going to test my new face palette. So in today's video I'm going to test this new face palette from NATASHA DENONA. This is the new Hyper Natural Face Palette. This is how the box looks like. This is how the packaging looks like, and this is the color story. So this new NATASHA DENONA Hyper Natural Face Palette is an essential no makeup palette showcasing 5 hybrid eyeshadows, a creamy powder blush duo, and a bronzer and contour trio. Now featuring a talc-free Hyper Silk formula, these eyeshadows have a silky soft gel powder texture and come in 4 wearable shades along with one sparkling topper finish. The palette also includes a creamy powder blush duo and a versatile high-tech bronzer and contour trio, providing you with the perfect no makeup routine in a travel-friendly format. Plus, all the formulas support your skin's ability to maintain natural hydration. So this is waterproof, has natural finish, is hydrating, long-wearing, cruelty-free, and without parabens, made in Italy and has 24 months shelf life. The palette comes with a mirror, and it's a nice mirror. So I like the packaging. This is nice and compact, and looks like we have everything we need in here. We have blushes, bronzers, and these pretty colors for the eyes. So I'm very excited to try everything, but first I'm going to swatch all of these colors on the back of my hand. I want to see how is the formula and how are these colors. I'm going to start with these three from here. And now these blushes. And now the eyeshadows. So this is how all of the colors look swatched on my hand. So next I'm going to apply these colors on my skin and on my eyes. I'm going to start with the bronzers. Let's see how this looks on someone with fair skin. Just a little disclaimer, my skin is very flaky and very dry right now, so we will see if these colors will emphasize this problem. Okay, I love this first bronzer shade on my fair skin. This is very pretty. I want to use the next bronzer shade on the other side of my face. I want to see how this looks alone on my skin. Okay, this is also very pretty on my fair skin, but keep in mind that I've used a very small amount. And the last color looks a little bit too dark, but I want to apply just a small amount on both sides. this darker shade. Looks a little bit muddy on my fair skin. So if you have fair skin, you might want to use one of these two colors from here. This looks very pretty and natural, and to not be heavy-handed because these are very pigmented. But I really like the finish with these bronzers, so let's move on. Next I'm going to use this in my crease. I'm going to use the same color on my under eyes, on my lower lash line. And next I'm going to use this on the outer corners. The same color on my under eyes. Okay, so you can use these bronzers on your skin and on the eyes too as a transition shade. These were very easy to blend. So far I'm very impressed. And next I'm going to apply these blushes from here. I'm going to use this one on this side of my face and the other one on the other side of my face because I want to see how these look alone. Okay, this is very pigmented. So this is how this pink shade looks on my skin. And now I'm going to use this from here on this side. And this is how these blushes look on my skin. This one on this side and this one on this side. So I wanted to show you how these two looks alone on someone with fair skin. But I'm going to take a little bit more from this and I'm going to blend it on both sides. I really love these blush colors. I feel like I like this one more. The color is very unique. I like it. Now let's use these colors on my eyes. And I think I'm going to start with this. And I'm going to apply this with my fingers. Okay, this color is very pretty, but the formula is very dry and was not so easy to apply. Next I'm going to use this pink shade from here. This and this are very dry, so I'm not very impressed about these colors from here. Next I'm going to use this with a brush on my lower lash line. And next I'm going to use this. I want to use all of these colors today. And next I'm going to use this topper shade all over my eyelids and some on my inner corners. This is very pretty. And I'm going to use a flat angled brush with this bronzer shade from here. And I'm going to use this as eyeliner. I'm going to try to apply this with a brush on my lower lash line. Okay, this works with the brush. And I'm going to use a little bit of this on my under eyes. Blend everything again. Okay, I've used everything from this palette, so I'll leave it for now, and I'm going to give you my final impressions at the end of the video after I finish with my makeup. And next I'm going to apply my mascara, and for my mascara today, I'm going to use this YSL Lash Clash mascara. This mascara is amazing, is one of my favorites right now. Gives volume, separates the lashes, curls the lashes, doesn't transfer on the under eyes throughout the day, and my lashes looks the same all day with this mascara on. This is a very good mascara and I highly recommend you to try it. And on my lips I'm going to use this Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in the shade Endless Cacao. I use this alone all the time. I like to smudge it all over my lips. I use this as lipstick and as lip liner. Because I love the color, I love how my lips look with this on, and it's very long lasting. So this is the finished makeup result. Let me show you how my skin looks up close. Now, final impressions for my new face palette, this one from NATASHA Denona. For now, I like the palette. I love the packaging. I love that we have everything we need in here to travel with this face palette. I'm very impressed about the bronzers, the blushes. These look very pretty on my fair skin. And I can also use these bronzers on my eyes as a transition shade. I like the formula, it's nice and buildable. I'm not very impressed about some of these eyeshadow colors from here. This one, and this one felt very dry and not very easy to apply. I love this dreamy glitter shade, is very pretty, and also this one was very pigmented and nice. I'm very curious to see how everything will last on my oily skin, so I'll test this palette more and I'll update you about everything in my next video. I would love to know from you guys if you like the finished makeup result, and please let me know what other makeup products would you like me to test next. But that's everything for today. I hope this video was helpful and I hope you like it. If you like it, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also ring the bell to be notified when I upload. I post every week, so make sure to hit the notification bell. I hope you'll have a wonderful day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!